3, 6, y, you end up with 5x plus 2.
Hello, welcome again. Kevin Rick here, and I hope that you are doing well in your modules. Wag kang ma-stress, because I'm here with you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about arithmetic series. So an arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So if we have here an arithmetic sequence, if we're going to add its terms, then that is an arithmetic series. So we have two formulas in solving for the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. If the first term is given and the last term is given as well, then it's more convenient for us to use this formula. But if the last term is not given, then we use this formula. So let's have an example. Find the sum of the first 30 counting numbers. What formula are we going to use in this problem? Okay, let's identify the sequence if the first term and the last term is given. When we say counting numbers, these are the natural numbers. These are the numbers that we use in counting. And we all know that when we count, yung unang number ay 1. Since yung sequence na involved lang dito ay yung first 30 counting numbers, I think you already know what the last term is. And the last term is 30. Obviously, we know the first term, we know the last term. We use this formula. So what are we going to do? We are just going to substitute these in the formula. So since we are adding 30 terms, we are going to replace n with 30. Okay, our n is 30. Our a sub 1 is 1. And our a sub n, which is a sub 30, is 30. Now 30 divided by 2 is 15. That is 31. And so 15 times 31 is 465. So if we are going to add the first 30 counting numbers, the sum is 465. So ano ba itong mga counting numbers? Pag-aadin natin lahat ng mga numbers nito until 30, the sum will be 465. So let's have one more example. Find the sum of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic sequence 50, 47, 44, 41, 38, and so on. So dito sa problem, binigay yung sequence, but the sequence is infinite. Hindi natin alam yung last term kasi yung pinapasolve kasi dito is yung first 12 terms. We are going to add the first 12 terms. We don't know the 12th term. So we cannot use this formula. What are we going to use? We're going to use this kasi yung alam lang natin is first term, and then we can also get the common difference from the given sequence. So let's do it. That is s sub 12 since we are adding 12 terms. Replace n with 12. Our a sub 1 is 50. That is the first term. Our n is 12. And the common difference, how do we get the common difference? That is succeeding minus preceding, so that is 47 minus 50. The common difference is negative 3. Now, let's simplify. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 times negative 3 is negative 33. We simplify further. 100 minus 33 is 67. And so 67 times 6 is 402. So the sum of the first 12 terms of the given arithmetic sequence is 402. Okay, let's have the last example. Find the sum of the first 50 terms of the arithmetic sequence if the first term is 21 and the 20th term is 154. Let's see kung ano yung applicable na formula na gagamitin natin to solve this problem. Is a sub 1 given? Yes. A sub 1 is given as 21. Since we are adding 50 terms, yung n natin is 50. So kailangan natin si a sub 50. Given ba si a sub 50? Hindi po. Hindi given si a sub 50. So obviously, we cannot use this formula directly. Now, tingnan natin kung applicable si second formula. So, given naman si a sub 1. Pero kailangan natin si common difference. But is the common difference given? Hindi rin. We cannot directly get the common difference from the given. Pero pwede nating isolve. Since the 20th term is given, which is 154, pwede nating gamitin ito para ma-solve natin yung common difference. Paano? We are going to use the formula for getting the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So a sub 20 is equal to a sub 1, which is 21, plus n, which is 20, whatever is here, that will be our n, minus 1 times d. But since we know what a sub 20 is, yung a sub 20 is 154, pwede nating i-simplify yung equation para ma-solve natin yung value ni common difference. Simplify. Let's move this to the other side. Will become negative 21 is equal to 19d. So 154 minus 21, that is 133, is equal to 19d. Now, divide both sides by 19 para makuha natin yung value ni common difference. So ano na yung value ng common difference? What is 133 divided by 19? The common difference is 7. So ano nang next na gagawin? Since alam na natin yung first term, alam na natin yung common difference, pwede na natin gamitin yung second formula. So yung n na natin dito is yung 50, since we are already solving for the sum. Our n is 50 over 2. Now 2, ano bang a sub 1 natin? It's 21 plus our n is 50, and the common difference is 7. Simplify. And so kung ika-calculator mo lang lahat ng yan, ang lalabas na sagot ay 9,625. So the sum of the first 50 terms of the given sequence is 9,625. Actually, after getting the common difference, pwede mo ding isolve si a sub 50 by substituting the common difference. After solving for a sub 50, pwedeng ito yung gamitin mong formula. So whatever man ang gagamitin mo, same din lang po ang lalabas na sagot. So there you have it. Thank you again for watching. I hope you will not get stressed with a lot of the paperworks. Don't worry, I'm here with you, cheering you up. So, bye.